How do synchronous and asynchronous errors differ? Imagine trying to fix a flat tire while driving. You need to stop first to repair it, right? That's similar to how synchronous and asynchronous errors happen in JavaScript. Let's explore how they differ and how to handle them properly. Synchronous errors happen right away during the execution of your code. They are like hitting a pothole while driving. The moment the problem occurs, everything stops. For example, if you try to parse invalid JSON data, JavaScript throws an error immediately. You can catch these errors easily with a try-catch block because they happen within the current flow of your program. These errors are predictable since they occur at a specific line and stop the code from running further. Debugging them is straightforward because you can follow the call stack step by step. On the other hand, asynchronous errors are more like a delayed surprise. They happen outside the main flow of your code, often in callbacks, promises, or async functions. For example, if you make an HTTP request and the server responds with an error, that error occurs later, not right when you initiate the request. The tricky part is that try-catch blocks won't catch these errors if they happen inside a callback or a promise that is already running. That's because the try-catch block finishes executing before the asynchronous code runs. So, if an error occurs in a set timeout callback or a promise rejection, it's outside the scope of the original try-catch. Handling these errors requires different strategies. For synchronous errors, wrapping the code in a try-catch is enough. But for asynchronous errors, you need to use the catch method with promises or handle errors inside async functions with try-catch blocks around await statements. For example, if you use async await, wrapping the await call in a try-catch will catch errors from rejected promises. If you're working with promises directly, attaching a catch method at the end of the chain is essential to prevent unhandled rejections. Understanding this difference is vital for building reliable web applications. Synchronous errors are easier to manage because they happen immediately and follow a predictable pattern. Asynchronous errors are more complex because they happen outside the normal flow and requiring specific handling techniques. For example, in a web server built with Express.js. Synchronous errors in root handlers are caught automatically, but unhandled promise rejections can cause issues if not properly managed. This is why knowing how to catch errors in both scenarios helps you write more resilient code. In summary, synchronous errors occur instantly during code execution and can be caught with try-catch blocks. Asynchronous errors happen later, outside the main flow, and need special handling like catch methods or try-catch around await. Mastering both types of error handling makes your JavaScript applications more stable and easier to troubleshoot.